Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. I do apologize for the late upload. I'm traveling to California right now, but I wanted to make sure that I recap my overall day. So far on the day, $41,000 on the day. Absolutely killed it with the Learn Plan Profit team on TQQQ. So let's, pretty much summarize what happened. If we look at the 1 minute time frame, we can see that things really began to break out, and we talked about this during our live trading session today. So if you look at TQQQ, even on that 1 minute, because I know a lot of you guys focus on the 1 minute itself, we had this specific resistance level that we were not able to break above right in that pre-market session. I talked about it in today's earlier video, and that was right around $29 a share. Every time that we would get close to $29, we would get rejected. We would get close, get rejected, get close, get rejected. Right when the market opened, we were testing that same resistance level, and finally we broke above it. Momentum broke out, and that's when I really started to step on the gas. We rallied, we pulled on back, we rallied, we pulled on back, we rallied, we pulled on back. And again, one of the things that we always talk about, pullbacks are never something that you need to be afraid about. Pullbacks are all part of the game. It's the break of pattern where you need to be concerned. And if you look at TQQQ on the 5 minute time frame, there was never a break of pattern. Direction was in our favor as soon as we began to make some higher highs and higher lows. Hitting highs of nearly $30 a share, pulling on back. If you guys go back, if you're part of my Learn Plan Profit group, you guys can go back and watch today's live trading session. I specifically talked about today we are going to be working our way towards $30 a share. It just made sense based off of yesterday's performance with the Jerome Powell speaking ahead of the Federal Reserve. The expectation, especially going into that pre-market hour, that pre-market session, there's a lot of selling activity. They were in fear of what they thought he was going to say, and nothing he said yesterday was worse than expected. Nothing he said yesterday was bad, and if nothing bad was said, then the market should recover not only what it lost during that pre-market session, but continue based off of Wednesday's activity. And that's what actually happened. Not only did we recover, but we actually ended up making new highs to 28.42, and then going into this pre-market session, that's pretty much where we started, 28.50. But now we had that resistance at $29. So I knew that if we broke above that resistance level, that we would see new highs, and that's exactly what happened today. So again, when asking the question, when do you know when to step on the gas? And it's simply when conditions are in your favor. So what are conditions that are favorable for you? Well, again, I was going long on TQQQ. So that means I'm going long on the NASDAQ index. So I need direction to be in my favor, market sentiment to be in my favor. I need overall direction and momentum to be in my favor. I think that was one of the most important things. If you look at every news article that was posted today, all they were talking about was ending the week on a higher note, and that finally we ended the red streak that we had going on. And this is what we call within our Learn Plan Profit group headline momentum. When it's not anything actually fundamental that's causing the market to go up or to go down, but it's simply the ideas of headline. When we are, headlining that, hey, we're on track for one of the best months, and it's, August 30th, right? We're most likely going to see a lot more buying pressure to get us or to surpass that milestone. If we're on track for one of the worst months, then most likely we're going to see more selling pressure because more people are in fear of seeing us hitting that milestone of one of the worst months, right? And that's exactly what we saw this week, especially after the really red week and how we ended it last week with all of that selling pressure after Jerome Powell spoke. This week was quite the opposite, a lot of buying pressure, and finally, if you look at QQQQ, or on QQQ, you can see that on the overall 1 hour time frame, we are now trading above that 1 hour time frame, or the 1 hour moving average. And if you look at this on the 4 hour, we are now trading above the EMA line on the 4 hour and getting very close to the moving average on the 4 hour. If we look at this on the day chart, we are testing that resistance level. Look at that beautiful MACD, look at that beautiful RSI. Everything is set up very nicely for next week, but friendly reminder, next week we have the up-and-coming CPI data report on September 13th. I will be live streaming that on my YouTube channel, so if that's not a reason to subscribe, then I don't know what is. So make sure you guys drop a thumbs up, make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel. Again, friendly reminder, today is the last day. It ends on September 9th. for our Tech Buds Apparel iMac giveaway. We're doing double the points, so for every $1 you spend, it equals 10 automatic entries, and that's at shoptechbuds.com. Also, friendly reminder, my Learn Plan Profit group is literally the only group that I work with on a closer basis. I want to give a huge shout out to them because it's not even just myself, but it's everyone within our team that's absolutely killing it, and I want to make sure that you guys see that. So today I ended, like I showed you guys, a little bit over $40,000 in the green. But yeah, that's cool, right? Ricky, you were able to do it. Let's see how your members are doing. We had people in the couple hundreds, and then some of our other traders that are a little bit more experienced in the couple thousand. I should have had this Discord app open. But again, if you want the ability to watch me trade live every single day right at market open, then you guys know what link to click. It's that second link down below to learn a little bit more about our Learn Plan Profit group and to see if it's a good fit for you. We're running one of our biggest sales. Like I said, it's $100 off, which is one of our biggest sales, and that's that second link down below. This Discord app is not wanting to open. I'm going to give it a couple of seconds if you guys want to see some of our student highlights today. Here we go. Finally, Discord. Thank you. I appreciate you. Give me one quick second. Here we go. Alrighty. So let's go here. And if we go on over to the profit section, you can see we have Franco at $838. Made 5K today. I like that. So some of our members recapping on some of the things that we've talked about before. I made sure that I posted my overall P&L there, right? So making sure I kept them up to date. Let's see. We have a $2,000 day here. We have my $40,000 day. 2,400. We have $282. Not bad. $2,300. $441. $352. Not too shabby. We have $193. $36. 58% in the green. I think that's one of the greatest things, to be able to see other people doing well. Check this out. $1,400, $411, $2,700 on the overall week, $889, $114. Again, those are all of our Learn Plan Profit members. So if you want the option to be able to watch me trade live every single day, again, one of our biggest sales, it's $100 off, and that's that second link in the description of this video. If you guys have any questions before signing up, feel free to just send me a direct message via Discord, and that's that first link down below. And again, our iMac giveaway does end as soon as tonight, so that's that fourth link down below if you guys want to enter. I really do appreciate you guys' time. Hope that earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.